Welcome children. Chapter Algebra, topic multiplication of matrices. In the previous class, you have learned about addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices. Now we are going to discuss about multiplication of matrices. First, condition for multiplication of matrices. The number of columns in the first matrix equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Both are should be in equal, then we can multiple. Otherwise, we cannot multiple. For example, let condition for multiplication of matrices, for example, let order of A equal to 3 by 3 and then order of B equal to 3 by 2. In first matrix, number of row 3, number of column also 3. In second matrix, number of row 3, number of column 2. Now we are going to find order of product AB. Find the order of product AB. In first matrix number of column, in second matrix number of row, both are equal. So we can find the order of product AB. Balance value 3 by 2. This is order of product AB. Next, one more example. Let order of A equal to 2 by 2 and then order of B equal to 3 by 2. Now, we are going to find the order of product AB. Find the order product AB. Listen, find the order of product AB equal to what? In first matrix number of column, in second matrix number of row, both are not equal, so it is not possible. Not possible. It is not possible to find the order of product AB because both are not equal. Next, rule for multiplication of matrices. Row by column. Row in first matrix multiple by column in second matrix. After multiplication, we should adding the result. For example, let A equal to 1, 3, B equal to 5, 7. Now, find the product AB. A means A matrix 1, 3, B means B matrix 5, 7. Rule for multiplication of two matrices, row by column. Row by column. First matrix circle row wise, second matrix circle column wise. In this row matrix, we have two elements. In this column matrix, we have two elements. So, first element multiple by first element. Second element multiple by second element. After multiplication, we should adding the result. So, 1 multiple 5, 3 multiple 7. After multiplication, we should adding the result. 1 5s are 5, 3 7s are 21. So, we get 26. Order 1 by 1. Okay, va? Next, question number 1. If A is of order P by Q and B is of order Q by R, what is the order of AB and BA? Listen. Order of A is given, order of B also given. What is the order of AB and BA? First of all, write the given. Order of A, P by Q. Next, order of B equal to order of A is B by Q, order of B is Q by R. Q by R. What's our requirement? What is the order of AB and BA? First we have to find order of AB. Order of AB. In first matrix number of column, in second matrix number of row, both are equal. So we can find the order of product AB. Balance value P by R is called order of product AB. Next, order of B equal to Q by R, and then order of A equal to P by Q. Next, our requirement, order of BA. Order of BA equal to, in B matrix number of column R, number of second matrix number of row P, both are different values, so we cannot find the order of BA, so not possible. Next, question number 2, if A equal to 2, 5, 4, 3, B equal to 1, minus 3, 2, 5, find AB, comma, BA and check if AB equal to BA. Listen, A matrix is given and then B matrix also given, find AB, next BA, also verify that AB equal to BA. Write given matrix A 2, 5, 4, 3. Next write B matrix 1, minus 3, 2, 5. First of all, we have to find AB. Next, we have to find BA. First, AB. What is the meaning of AB? First, we have to write A matrix 2, 5, 4, 3, and then write B matrix 1, minus 3, 2, 5. Both are in multiple form. What is the rule for multiplication of matrices? Row by column. Very good. So, circle first matrix row wise, circle column wise in second matrix. First product, first row, first column. 2, 5, 1, 2. First row, second column. 2, 5, minus 3, 5. Third product, second row, first column. 4, 3, 1, 2. Last product is second row, second column. 4, 3, minus 3 and 5. First we write in multiple form, then you have to multiple. Now we can multiple 2 ones are 2, 5 twos are 10. After multiplication we should adding the result. Next, 2 minus 3s are minus 6, 5 5s are 25. Next here, 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 minus 3s are minus 12, 3 5s are 15. Now we can simplify, you will get 12, 19 and then 10 here plus 3. Equation number 1. Next we have to find BA. BA means write B matrix first, next you have to write A matrix. B matrix would elements of B matrix 1, minus 3, 2, 5. Next write A matrix 2, 5, 4, 3. Rule for multiplication, yes, row by column. So, circle row wise in first matrix, circle column wise in second matrix. First product, first row, first column. 1, minus 3, 2, 4. Second product, first row, second column. 1, minus 3 and then 5, 3. Third product, second row, first column. 2, 5, 2, 4. Last one, second row, second column. 2, 5, 5, 3. Write in multiple form. After that, you have to multiple. Now multiple 1 2s are 2, minus 3 4s are minus 12. 1 5s are 5, minus 3 plus 3s are minus 9. Next, 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 3s are plus 15. simplify, you will get minus 10, here minus 4, here 24 and then 25. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 both are not equal. AB is not equal to BA. AB 12, 19, 10, 3. BA minus 10, minus 4, 24 and 25. So, AB not equal to BA. Checked. Next question number 3. Given that matrix A equal to 1, 3, 5, minus 1, matrix B equal to 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, matrix C equal to 1, 3, 2, minus 4, 1, 3. Verify that A multiple B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Listen. Matrix A is given, B matrix also given, C matrix also given. Verify that A multiple B plus C equal to AB plus AC. First of all, write given matrices. A matrix is given 1, 3, 5, minus 1. Next, B matrix also given 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2. Next, C matrix also given 1, 3, 2, minus 4, 1 and 3. Verify that A multiple B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Take left hand side. Left hand side we have A bracket B plus C. Within bracket we have B plus C. B plus C. Write B matrix. Element of B matrix 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 2 plus element of C matrix 1, 3, 2, minus 4, 1 and 3. Rule for addition of two matrices, just add the corresponding elements. 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 plus 3 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 5, 1, 6, 2 plus 3, 5. Next, we have to find A multiple B plus C. A multiple B plus C. Write A matrix first one. A matrix 1, 3, 5, minus 1. Next, B plus C matrix. B plus C matrix 2, 2, 4, minus 1, 6, 5. What is the rule for multiplication of two matrices? Very simple, row by column. So, circle row wise in first matrix, circle column wise in second matrix. First product, first row, first column. Multiple directly 1 2s are 2, 3 minus 1s are minus 3. Second product, first row, second column. 1 2s are 2, 3 6 are 18. Third party, first row, third column. 1 4s are 4, 3 5s are 15. Next product, second row, first column. 5 2s are 10, minus 1 minus 1s are plus 1. Second row, second column. 5 2s are 10, minus 1 6 are minus 6. Last product, third, second row, third column. 5 4s are 20, minus 1 5s are minus 5, minus 1 5, minus 5. Now we can simplify. 2 minus 3 you will get minus 1. 2 plus 18 20, 4 plus 15 19, 10 plus 1 10 minus 6 4, 20 minus 5 15. So, this is equation number 1. Next we have to take right hand side RHS. Right hand side we have AB plus AC. Find AB. AB means write A matrix and then write B matrix. value of A matrix 1 3 5 minus 1, elements of B matrix 1 minus 1 2, next 3 5 2. Multiplication of two matrices, rule for multiplication row by column. So circle first matrix row wise, circles column wise in second matrix. First multiplication, first row first column, 1 1s are 1, 3 3s are 9. First row second column, 1 minus 1s are minus 1, 3 5s are 15. First row third column, 1 2s are 2, 2 3 2s are 6. Next second row first column, 5 1s are 5, minus 1 3s are minus 3. Second row second column, 5 minus 1s are minus 5, minus 1 5s are minus 5. Last second row third column, 5 2s are 10, minus 1 2s are minus 2. Simplify, you will get 10 14 8 and then 2, here minus 10 8. Next we have to find AC. Write A matrix 1 3 5 minus 1, 1 3 5 minus 1. Next C matrix, elements of C matrix 1 3 2, 1 3 2 minus 4 1 3. So multiplication rule row by column. So circle row wise in this matrix, circle column wise in this matrix. First product, first row first column, 1 3 4s are minus 12. First row second column, 3 and then 3. Second first row third column, 1 2s are 2, 3 3s are 9. Second row first column, 1 5 1s are 5, minus 1 minus 4s are plus 4. Second row second column, 3 5s are 15, minus 1 plus 1s are minus 1. Second row last column, 5 2s are 10, minus 1 3s are minus 3. Now we can simplify the result. Minus 11, next one 6, next one 2 plus 9 11, 5 plus 4 9, 15 minus 1 14, 10 minus 3 7. What's our requirement? AB plus AC. So AB plus AC. Elements of AB, 10 14 8, 2 minus 10 and then 8. Next plus elements of AC, AC would elements minus 1 6 11 9 14 and then 7. Rule for addition of any two matrices, very simple, just adding the corresponding elements. You will get 10 plus minus 11, you will get minus 1. 14 plus 6 20, 8 plus 11 19, 2 plus 9 11, minus 10 14, plus 4 8 plus 7 15. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, observe 1 and 2, equation number 1, minus 1 1 and 2, minus 1 20 19 11 4 and 15, both are equal. Therefore A multiple B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Hence verify that. So verified. Next question number 4. If A equal to matrix 3 1 minus 1 2, show that A square minus 5A plus 7I2 equal to O. Listen, A matrix is given, so that A square minus 5A plus 7I2 equal to O. What is the meaning of I2? I is unit matrix. Next O is 0 matrix, symbol of 0 matrix, symbol of unit matrix. Write the given matrix. Only A is given 3 1 minus 1 2. First we have to find A square. A square means A multiple A. So what is element of A matrix? 3 1 minus 1 2 and then multiple. Write again A matrix 3 1 minus 1 2. What is the rule of multiplication of two matrices? Row by column. So circle row wise in first matrix, circle column wise in second matrix. First product, first row, first column, 3 3s are 9, 1 minus 1s are minus 1. First row, second column, 3 1s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Second row, second column, 1 minus 3s are minus 3, 2 minus 1s are minus 2. Second row, second column, minus 1, 1s are minus 1, 2 2s are plus 4. So you can simplify 9 minus 1 8, 3 plus 2 5, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 1 plus 4 3. Next we have to find 5A. 5 A means write A matrix 3 1 minus 1 2. Multiply this matrix by 5. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5, 5 minus 1s are minus 5, 5 2s are 10. Next we have to find 7 I2, 7 I2, 7 I means unit matrix, 2 means order means 2 by 2, second row 2 row 2 column, 1 0 0 1. Multiple this matrix by 7. So you will get 7 0 0 and 7. Show that, take left hand side and prove right hand side. Left hand side, A square minus 5A plus 7I2. Now substitute the all values. What is the value of A square? Value of A square 8 5 minus 5 3. Next minus. What is the value of 5A value? 15 5 minus 5 10. Value of 7 I2 7 0 0 and 7. First matrix write the same without any change, 8 5 minus 5 3. Second matrix we have to multiple by minus. So change the sign, minus 15 minus 5 and then plus 5 minus 10. If you multiple by minus, you will get sign plus. Here third matrix also write the same, 7 0 0 7. Addition of 3 matrices, very simple. Add the corresponding elements. Corresponding element for 8, 8 minus 15 and 7. 5. Corresponding element for 5, 5 minus 5 and 0. Next, minus 5 and then plus 5 and then 0. Corresponding element for 3, 3 minus 10 and then plus 7. Now we can simplify, plus 8 plus 7 plus 15 minus 15 you will get 0. Plus 5 minus 5 you will get 0. Minus 5 plus 5 you will get 0. Next plus 3 plus 7 plus 10, if you subtract you will get 0. This is 0 matrix. Symbol of 0 matrix is called O, already I told. 0 matrix is symbol O. This is right hand side RHS. Hence proved. Question number 5. Solve 2 1 1 2 multiple matrix X Y equal to 4 5. Listen. Solve. Two matrices are in multiple form on left side. Right side we have only one matrix. Write it given 2 1 1 2 X Y equal to 4 5. multiplication, rule for multiplication row by column. So circle row wise in this matrix, circle column wise in this matrix. Multiple first row first column, 2 multiple x 2x, 1 multiple y plus 1 y. Second row first column, 1 multiple x 1x, 2 multiple y 2y. So multiplication over. On right side we have 4 5. Listen that left hand side we have only one matrix, right hand side we have only one matrix. These two matrices are equal, so corresponding elements are also equal. Corresponding element for 2x plus 1y 4, corresponding element for 2x plus 1y, that is the 4. Next 1x plus 2y equal to 5. These two values are corresponding element, these two values are corresponding element. Two matrices are equal means corresponding elements are also equal. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2, you will get value of x and y. First equation multiple by 1, second equation multiple by 2, multiple by 1 you will get same value without any change. Second equation multiple by 2, so multiple by 2 you will get 2x plus 4y, 5 2s are 10. Both are same value but same sign, but we can't eliminate. Change the sign, minus, so minus, here also minus, we can eliminate. Plus 2x minus 2x, we can cancellation. Balance plus 1y minus 4y, we get minus 3y. Right hand side plus 4 minus 10, you will get minus 6. Cancel minus minus, balance 3y equal to 6. So y equal to 6 divided by 3, you get y equal to 2. Now substitute y equal to 2 in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? 1 implies 2x plus 1y equal to 4. In this equation you have to substitute the value of y. So 2x plus 1, value of y 2 equal to 4. So 2x, 1 2s are 2 equal to 4. So 2x equal to 4. This 2 bring to right side, so minus 2. 2x equal to, subtract, you will get 2. So x equal to 2 divided by 2, cancellation, x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Assignment problems. First one, if A equal to matrix 1 2 0 3 1 5, B equal to matrix 8 3 1 2 4 1 5 3 1, find AB. Just find A and B. AB means multiplication of AB matrices. Second question, if A equal to 2 1 1 3, B equal to matrix 2 0 1 3, find AB and BA. Check if AB equal to BA. First we have to find AB matrix, then we have to find BA matrix and then check it. Third one, if A equal to 1 1 minus 1 3, B equal to 1 2 minus 4 2, C equal to minus 7 6 3 2, verify that A multiple B plus C equal to AB plus AC. First of all we have to take left hand side, then we have to find right hand side. Okay va? Children, in this section we have learned about multiplication of matrices. We will meet one more classes. Thank you children.